Region dealing with snowfall tonight and freezing temperatures. RTV6's Rafael Sanchez shows us viewers digging themselves out from all that snow from multiple counties.
Another long Saturday for snowplow drivers in Franklin, clearing neighborhood streets in hopes people can make it to their Sunday church services. The snowfall picked up after 6:30, keeping law enforcement in Johnson County busy responding to accidents. The Bob Evans restaurant in Franklin closed early to let employees go home before road conditions got worse. In Bartholomew County, this is the condition of the roads. Eddie King texted me this video from Columbus, including a view of US 31 and Washington Street. In Hamilton County, several inches of snow fell in Noblesville. Robert S. kept me posted via Messenger, especially what people were dealing with along State Road 32 near Mill Creek Road and Cumberland Road. And check this out from Putnam County. Gracie Gotze set up a time lapse and watch as the snowstorm moved in and, as you can see, covered everything in sight. So here we go again. For the second weekend in a row, homeowners in central Indiana are digging out from another snowstorm. Now, city and state crews will have a long night clearing the roads under some icy conditions. In Franklin, Rafael Sanchez, RTV6.